Before the opening bell, U.S. indices falling on Wednesday, pressured by shares in the food and staples retailing, consumer services and capital goods sectors. Now decliners were ahead of advancers, 68% of SP 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. After the market closed, we first take a look at Netflix reporting third quarter EPS of 7 cents compared to 14 cents 1 year ago on revenue of $1.58 billion. The company saying global growth was as we expected. Our forecast was high for the U.S. and low for international. On to United Health Group, unveiling third quarter EPS of $1.65 versus $1.63 in the previous year on revenues of $41.5 billion. That's up 27% year over year. And Blackstone announcing third quarter economic loss per unit of 35 cents versus 66 cents 1 year ago, and distributable EPS of 58 cents versus 54 cents. Turning overseas, Asian markets jumping today. The Nikkei, that's up 1.15%. The Hang Seng up 0.2%, actually 2% in total. And South Korea's Kospi, that's up 1.18%. European markets are upward and U.S. futures calling for a positive opening. Earnings releases expected for today. Citigroup third quarter EPS seen at $1.28, due out before the market opens. Schlumberger third quarter EPS seen at 77 cents, due out after the market opens. And Goldman Sachs third quarter EPS seen at $3.08, due out before the market opens. On the economic data front today, 8:30 in the morning, we do have initial jobless claims figures expected at 270,000, while at 8:30 in the morning we have continuing jobless claims figures. And at 8:30 in the morning, we also have October Empire Manufacturing and September CPI figures. 10 o'clock in the morning sees Philadelphia Fed's business outlook expected at -2. And regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the S&P 500 sees its key resistance at 2015. As long as 2015 is the resistance, expect a return to 1971. Short positions below 2015 are favored with targets at 1971 and 1961 in extension. The Nasdaq also seeing its key resistance at 43.90. Short positions below 43.90 are favored with targets at 42.68 and 42.25 in extension. And the Dow Jones sees its key resistance at 17,080, preferring short positions below 17,080.